Yeah, so I think
Hmm.
first of all, I think let's give it out to people who just want the address and details of it. है
Done.
ना? Because yeah, उसके बाद वो उसकी कहानी, authenticity and everything we'll discuss.
Yeah.
So first of all, anybody who's watching or who's going to watch it later, the saved
Hmm.
portion, this particular center is in Trichy, जहाँ पे
Mm-hmm.
हमने नाड़ी का अपना लीव दिखाया. और आइडियली जो इसका ओरिजिन है या जो इसका बेस है, दैट हब इज वैथी शरण कोली इन तमिलनाडु, विच इज अराउंड
Right.
160 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम ट्रिची.
Mm-hmm.
सो आप कहीं भी दिखा सकते हैं, एंड जहां पे आपका लीफ की रीडिंग लिखी होगी, दैट इज व्हाट दे
It
से,
is going to
राइट?
be there.
इट्स
Mm.
गोइंग टू बी देयर ओनली. सो
Yep.
हाउ आई डिड इट वाज, इनिशियली मैंने अपना थंब का इंप्रेशन इन सब 7-8 जगह पे भेजा था, जो कि
Mm.
आई थिंक 7 आउट ऑफ 8 places where I sent my thumb impression was in Vechishan Koli. One was in Trichy, and
Oh.
finally I got the call and confirmation from Trichy only. कि Swami, your leaf has been found. That is how they tell, no? कि Swami,
Mm.
आपका leaf मिल गया है. So I said okay. And coincidence ऐसी हुई कि ट्रिची मुझे जाना ही था
Mm.
वर्क पर्पज से. तो दिस इज द प्लेस ट्रिची. इसका जो जब इसको अपलोड करोगे ना, सो देर इज दिस अगस्त्य सूक्ष्म नाड़ी सेंटर, विच इज
Yep.
महात्मा गांधी मार्ग, वेयर वी वेंट,
Mm-hmm.
वहां पे. एंड डिटेल्स, उसका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर तो आई थिंक वी हैव ऑलरेडी
Yes,
शेयर्ड.
we've get
इसके नीचे विल पुट द मैप, द वेबसाइट एंड द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर.
done. We will put that वो जो board था, we will put that with them. Yes, perfect. So the good thing is that I found my leaf in Trichy only. I didn't have to do ज़्यादा circus, ना?
So I can tell people everything what I have experienced since 2014, but you just
Mm.
need to tell पहले कि जब मैंने तुम्हें बोला था कि there's this ट्रिची में this नाड़ी
Yeah.
वाला thing, and
Yeah.
you being a skeptic and you doubted a lot of things, right? You also for
No,
some
पहले
point
तो you
you were
remember
taking
I
it in a
asked you, is it the Nadi this thing wala?
pulse
Being a
वाला.
doctor, yeah, the
Yeah.
pulse wala. Yeah. So I had not heard about it ever. I
Yeah.
didn't know about it only, but I got to know from you. Good thing. So yeah.
There's one thing we have to do, doctor. I think we'll have to come down directly to what nadi is,
So
because
let's do that.
this
You
video is
go
going to
ahead.
stretch too much. You know?
Yes. So we
So
will do
basically,
that.
for everybody
If
who is online and everybody who is going to watch it later, नाड़ी का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. सो एक ट्रेडिशनल एस्ट्रोलॉजी होती है जहां पे व्हेन वी वर बोर्न, हमारा जो प्लैनेटरी पोजीशन था और उन प्लैनेट का जो नेचर या बिहेवियर होता है, उसके हिसाब से आपके एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स आपको बताते हैं कि क्योंकि आपका जब आप पैदा हुए थे तो आपके बर्थ चार्ट में ये प्लैनेट यहाँ पे था, इसके हिसाब से आपकी प्रोडिक्शंस किए जाते हैं. नाड़ी
right.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज डिफरेंट.
How?
इसमें अराउंड thousands of years back, and
Mm-hmm.
how, I don't know how crazy this sounds,
Yeah.
thousands of years back there used to be various sages in India. Important one being Maharshi Agastya, then there
Mm.
was Bhrigu, then there was some sage, a group of sages that wrote Shiv Nadi. इन
Mm-hmm.
लोगों ने आज से 1000 साल पहले जो ऐसी सोल्स, those souls who are going to walk down this earth, उनके लाइफ के प्रेडिक्शंस कर दिए. ओके.
Correct. Yes.
This, it sounds crazy, right?
Yes, it did sound
But
crazy to me
it
first
is,
time. Oh my
it is
God. Yeah.
100%. और ऐसा क्यों किया उन्होंने? बिकॉज उनके हिसाब से दे वांटेड टू हेल्प आउट वेरियस सोल्स ऑन दिस अर्थ आगे चल के, तो उनके लिए गाइडेंस का पाथ ऐसा उन्होंने किया. और उनकी एंशिएंट विजडम थी दैट दे वर एबल टू फोरसी सर्टेन थिंग्स.
Mm-hmm.
नाउ एज ऑन डेट देयर आर 800 बिलियन पीपल ऑन दिस अर्थ.
Yeah.
सो डू यू थिंक कि सबके बारे में लिखा होगा, सबके बारे में एवरीथिंग?
I think so yes, because I know my experience, but I think yes.
यू गोइंग टू
To
टेल योर
find,
later,
yeah,
right?
but to find it is the question.
Yeah.
I don't know how many people will find it.
So I'm not sure about this,
Mm.
but I have talked to, in front of you also, I asked so many questions to this guy, and जो मेरा 2014 से जितना मैंने पढ़ा, रिसर्च किया, जिन लोगों से बात की,
Mm.
लिखा तो बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए गया था,
Yeah.
बट सबकी अपनी अपनी डेस्टिनी थी. ओवर टाइम कितनी सारी नेचुरल कैलामिटीज आई, देन
Yeah.
केमिकल डिग्रेडेशन होता है,
Mm.
बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स, तो सारी लीव्स तो नहीं बच पाई हैं.
Mm.
ठीक है, मे बी लॉट ऑफ पीपल नॉट मेंट टू एवर go through this
Find
experience.
it. Yeah, yeah.
Ajay, कितना it's sounding so much like a
No, it's okay.
superstitious
So
person, right?
yeah,
I
it's okay.
don't know. So if you are watching this particular live session, you believe in these things. You believe
Yeah.
about concepts that are beyond our understanding, and that is a growth-oriented mindset. I believe we know a lot of things. There are certain aspects of science जो हमने पढ़े नहीं आज तक, but वो exist करते हैं. Maybe
Correct.
those will be discovered later. So, anyways, सो
Mysteries of
इन
the
सारी
universe.
एंशियंट सेजेस ने इन सारी सोल्स के बारे में लिख दिया. द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट ऑफ दीज वर महर्षि अगस्त्य. तो उनका सिस्टम ऐसा होता था कि वो बैठते थे अपने शिष्यों के बीच में, एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू डिक्टेट सर्टेन थिंग्स, एंड दीज शिष्य यूज्ड टू नोट इट डाउन. अपने उस पे ताड़पत्र पे लिख देते थे, एंड देन उनके बीच में प्रॉपर ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता था. बिकॉज इफ यू रिमेम्बर कि उसने एक पर्टिकुलर चीज में अगस्त्य ऋषि जब मेरा प्रेडिक्शन कर रहे थे, तो उसमें एक पर्टिकुलर शिष्य ने पॉइंट आउट किया था कि इसके ये वाले ग्रह में ये दिख रहा है, तो आप उसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बात करें. तो अगस्त्य ऋषि रिप्लाइड कि नहीं, इसके बारे में आई वोंट टॉक बिकॉज कि I have to talk about better things. ऐसा करके. Do you remember this part, Akshita?
Yes, I do. Sorry. Yeah.
So this is the whole concept. अब my story started with 2014. 2014 I was in Lucknow. Lucknow में I had a friend who had personally gone through lot of things in his life. Some really bad experiences. One of it was उसका एक accident हुआ था बहुत serious, near death experience. And उसके इस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में दिस पर्सन, द पर्सन इन ऑफ नाड़ी पर्सन, ही हैड ऑलरेडी प्रेडिक्टेड. उसके 2 महीने बाद ये हुआ. ठीक है. सो दिस गॉट मी इंट्रिग्ड बिकॉज दैट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, वेरी जेन्युइन पर्सन, कोई ऐसी कहानी नहीं बताता. ही हिमसेल्फ वाज अ वेरी कूल पर्सन बैक देन. कुछ बिलीव नहीं करता था, बट व्हेन लाइफ चेंज फॉर हिम, ही स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन सो मेनी थिंग्स. तो जब उसने मुझे इस कॉन्सेप्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, तो ऐसा बेकार चीज है, क्या बकवास है, मस्ट बी अनदर स्कैम. बट यू नो, क्यूरियोसिटी, सो आई गेव माय थंब इंप्रेशन, बिकॉज मुझे बताया गया था कि आपको कुछ नाम नहीं बताना है, आपको बस थंब इंप्रेशन अपना देना है. थंब इंप्रेशन दो, एंड देन दे विल कॉल यू. So I went to the center. It was in Aliganj, Lucknow. If anybody is from Lucknow, they'll know. Aliganj में सेंटर था, अभी भी होगा I guess. उनको थंब इंप्रेशन मैंने दिया, and I forgot, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे तो नहीं मिला था. जैसे in your case अक्षता, तुरंत मिल गया था नेक्स्ट डे only. मेरे केस में नहीं मिला था, and I forgot. I was in Delhi when I received a call from the center कि आपका मिल गया है नाड़ी पत्र, आप आ जाओ. And I was like, क्या बकवास है, मतलब अब एक्चुअली मैं सुनूंगा ये सारी चीजें जो मुझे फ्रेंड ने बताया था. I went there, started with my, you know how it starts, no? So कैसे start कैसे करते हैं अपनी, पहले वो आपसे बहुत सारी चीजों को क्रॉस चेक करेंगे. इसमें वो आपका नाम पूरा नहीं लेंगे, नाम का केवल फर्स्ट लेटर बताएंगे कि आपका नाम आ से शुरू होता है, बा से शुरू होता है. इन माई केस स्टार्ट्स विद पी. सो पू ऐसे करेंगे. देन फॉर एग्जांपल माय नेम इज पुरुषार्थ. सो पुरु का पू से शुरू करवाते थे. देन आई सेड यस. देन दे टॉक अबाउट योर पापा का नाम, यही उनका आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, योर नेम, उनका कुछ पर्टिकुलर लेटर्स, देन आपके पापा का नाम, मम्मी का नाम. ये 3 चीज अगर मैच हो जाती है तभी होता है. तो मेरे ने पूरा ऐसा कर रहा था, पू मैच हो गया तो मेरे पापा का नाम कुछ गलत बता दिया, तो आई सेड नो, दिस नॉट मी. बट देन देयर वाज अ पॉइंट व्हेन ही called out my name, Purusarath. You know how they pronounce it, no? Yeah. I said yes. Then आपके पापा का नाम राकेश. I said yes. And then you know goosebumps moment जो होता है. Then he told my mother's name. And उस टाइम पे I was back in 2014. I was just a college pass out, and you know, मान तो नहीं, मैं बस ढूंढ रहा था इसके पीछे स्कैम कहाँ है. तो उसके बाद उसने मेरी प्रेडिक्शन की और केवल जनरल रीडिंग करवाई थी मैंने, जस्ट द बेसिक चैप्टर. ही टोल्ड सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट माय लाइफ, आगे ऐसे होगा. एंड आई सेड ये स्कैम है कुछ, है ना. इवन तो मेरा मोबाइल नंबर कनेक्टेड नहीं था आधार से, बट आई थॉट कि इसको कहीं से डिटेल मिल गई है. हंसते हंसते मैं बाहर आ गया. उन्होंने एक कैसेट और एक कॉपी दे रखी थी. उस कैसेट और कॉपी को मैं लेके आया और घर में भूल गया कहीं पे, कभी नहीं रिफर किया उस पे. कट टू 2020, जब भी कोविड का लॉकडाउन हुआ था. Then I got time to reflect back on a lot of things. तब आपको टाइम था घर बैठ के बहुत कुछ देखने का, सोचने का. डेली हम लोग रिसर्च कर रहे थे. Then this concept of नाड़ी came back to my mind. उस टाइम पे I tried कि ऑनलाइन जितना मैं ढूंढ पाया कि मेरी नाड़ी, मैंने हर जगह थंब इंप्रेशन भेजे. Nobody was able to find my leaf. कोविड खत्म हुआ, everything went back into track, and मैं भी भूल गया. Cut to this year. I was posted down south. और अभी ये 15-20 दिन पहले ही मुझे मेरे दिमाग में कहीं पे इंस्टाग्राम या यूट्यूब पे स्क्रॉल करते वक्त दिस नाड़ी वर्ड केम अगेन. एंड आई थॉट कि ओह माय गॉड, आई ऑलरेडी हैव माय लीफ एग्जिस्ट, राइट. दिस आई वाज श्योर ना कि एक बार हो चुका था. तो देन आई सेंट माय वैथिसन कोहली के 8 लोगों को आई थिंक भेजा था. देन वन फ्रॉम द ट्रिची रिवर्टेड बैक कि आपका आफ्टर 5 days की आपका मिल गया. सो कोइंसिडेंस आफ्टर कोइंसिडेंस. एंड देन ट्रिची आई हैड टू गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्क. So everything fell in line.
Yeah.
It appeared कि जो ये बोलते हैं कि it is a destiny. तो
Yeah.
गए, and then after that I told you this Nadi
Yeah.
wala cheese thing is happening. Just a minute.
Hello, everyone. Until then, whoever
Yeah.
is
So
joined, thank you
Nadi
so
wala
much.
cheese is going to
Yeah.
happen. Would you
Mm.
like to also get your reading
Yes.
done?
Yeah.
And I remember you came very excited and everything. And first you were just laughing out when he was telling
Yeah,
everything about
dude.
me.
Then what? Because
But
you
your
literally
expression
asked
changed when he
entire.
predicted about you.
Yeah, no, more than predicted, it was more like he told my mother's certificate name. It was not even like her koi
Yeah.
aur name. It was like her
Yeah, yeah.
certificate name, and I was like, "What? That is impossible." But anyways, coming back to that, like you mentioned, one thing is if people actually are meant to find this, only then they get interested into this, and then they get aligned by the universe. That's what you want to
I
say.
would believe so from my own
Yeah,
experience.
yeah. Which is okay. I mean, that is what has happened to us, so it is pretty. It is valid to say things like that. It's okay. So, also now that you spoke about how it happened to you,
Akshata, you
um,
need to zoom out because there's a comment.
wait,
Ki, Akshata, you need to zoom out. Is my face
I'm
visible?
trying. Yep.
Raskul, also keep checking on the comments.
Mm.
And I'm doing this for the very first time. I don't know how to check comments because it's not
Don't
scrolling down.
worry. Same, both of us. We are in the same boat. I think this is much better. Okay,
अभी भी नहीं
this
दिख रही हो
works.
अच्छा रसकुल दिख रही
Okay.
मेरे को तो नहीं दिख रही बट ओके
Okay, so this
आई
works.
ओनली आई एम
Anyways,
अफ्रेड कि after the it's saved and I only till your nose and your
don't
face.
worry. Don't worry. Again, it'll find people who just need to hear what we have to say about it. So let's keep it to the believers. This is for all the believers out in the universe.
Also I just want to put it out.
Yep.
I am not a believer. I was not a believer
You
for
were
the
not,
longest.
but then like, अरे बाप
Your
रे.
face is getting cut, Akshata. Yes, zoom out. It's okay.
Okay.
थोड़ा more, a little more. Rashkul, is my face properly visible in the on the
Cool.
screen? Rashkul, that's that.
Hold on, guys. Let me try a better angle.
It's better now.
Okay.
Lakshmi.
Okay.
It's perfect. Still
Okay.
not
Cool.
visible to me, but it's okay.
Okay. Never mind. Huh.
So I just want to tell out to everybody कि ये मेरा experience है. I am a believer after doubting it for so many years, as I told you. और मेरे साथ 2 instance हो चुके हैं अब. So for me it works. I know it works. We'll discuss later कि इसमें problems क्या हो सकती है आगे चल के कई सारे लोगों के लिए. Because 2014 में whatever they predicted, I think almost everything was on point. And why I'm saying almost because कुछ पार्ट तो मुझे याद भी नहीं कि उसने उस टाइम पे क्या बताया था. He talked about my career, marriage. करियर के बारे में जो उन्होंने बोला था exactly what that is what happened. Just a minute. Yes, Kashi. Can you keep Mac down
Guys,
for
is this
some time?
better now?
Just a minute.
I think this is much. I don't know why it is looking okay in my frame, but
Can
okay.
you keep him down for some time? Okay, bring him on. Sorry.
I'm just going to, like hold it in my hand. If just tell me if that gets better.
Yeah, right.
Anyways.
Say hi to him. Oh, Mac's gone. So anyways, तो मैं बता रहा था कि मैं डाउट बहुत करता था बट मेरे केस में प्रोडिक्शन
If
सारे
the
ऑन
Nadi
पॉइंट थे.
guys knew you were coming and you gave him information, wouldn't they stalk you enough to know the certificate? No. Who is this? Preet. Hi, Preet. It was very weird. So they didn't know anything about me, though I was there for 2 days. I'm just skipping to what she had to say because I couldn't contain my
Yeah.
excitement about it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
okay, sorry about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so even though I was there for 2 days, it just so happened that they did not know anything about me. Literally nothing about me. They didn't know my name. They didn't know I was coming. They just knew that Purusharth was coming. And I did not speak to them when Purusharth's reading was happening. The next day, when I asked, okay, can I do mine? That is where I give my thumb impression on the first day. And the second day, when I went there, is when they got to know. I mean, it was actually crazy. Okay, guys, I'm not moving from here. Got it. Okay, this is better. I'm not
And
moving.
I just
But yeah.
all these doubts I've been there. I understand. So when you profile these people, these pundits, no. तो उनका ऐसा कोई बहुत एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है अबाउट प्रिडिक्शंस।
Mm.
उनका जो एक्सपर्टीज एक चीज है कि ये जो एंशियंट स्क्रिप्ट है, तमिल की एंशियंट लैंग्वेज, दे आर एबल टू डिसाइफर इट, बिकॉज
Yeah.
उनके जनरेशन जो अभी हजारों साल पहले तक गई होंगी, उनकी
Mm.
ट्रेनिंग हुई है। दिस
Mm.
इज their sole expertise to be
Mm.
able to read that. They are not
Yeah.
very smart people, they are not very
Yeah.
manipulative people, and yes, there might be certain manipulative people online available, but don't go
Mm.
to them. ये पूरा
Yeah.
सेशन इसी चीज के लिए, बिकॉज
Yes.
होंगे ऑफ देर इज कुछ बचा नहीं है ऑन दिस प्लैनेट जिसका फेक या फर्स्ट कॉपी ना अवेलेबल है, होता है। बट यहाँ पे आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट दिस, दिस पर्टिकुलर पंडित जिससे अभी हमने करवाया,
Mm.
वेरी क्यूट गाय, नॉट इवन आफ्टर
Yeah.
मनी, यू नो अक्षता, नॉट इवन आफ्टर
Yeah.
मनी,
Yeah.
बिकॉज
Yeah.
अभी तक मैंने उसका पूरा पेमेंट नहीं किया है, बिकॉज आई वॉज
Mm.
कंफ्यूज कि उसका पेमेंट किस हिसाब से होना है, प्राइसिंग के
Because
बारे
you
में।
have because you happen to ask all 12 chapters. Okay, guys, little information about how this works. There are 12 chapters.
12 मेन
So you
चैप्टर्स।
want to tell them that in 12 main chapters, and there are 6+ chapters, which are like not very main things, but they are about your past life, and there are a lot of things. Okay, so 12 things, 12 chapters that you have to know first. So when Prashad sat, he almost asked what, like nine chapters? Yeah, I know. Thank you so much for the question, because even I was mind boggled at that time. I was like, oh, what is happening? Yeah, I remember the moment. I remember the moment. This was a moment.
या
Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah.
सो
So, do you want to tell them where they should go? Now, I think we have at least good number of people watching. Do you want to tell them where they can go in Trichy again? So, because that time there were less number of people watching us. Do you want to tell them where to go?
यस, सो देर इज अ अगस्त्य सूक्ष्म नाड़ी सेंटर, गूगल पे इफ यू टाइप दिस इट विल कम,
Hmm.
बट वील ड्रॉप द मैप, लोकेशन, नंबर, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, एवरीथिंग, इवन द वेबसाइट
Hmm.
जा सकते
We
हैं।
will pin
आई
it to the
हैव,
comment, guys, again.
we both personally
Yeah.
think he is a very genuine guy,
Yeah.
very shy, very genuine guy, not after money for sure, but
Yeah.
समझिएगा कि for every particular, so there are 12 main chapters and then there are extra chapters, special
Hmm.
chapters। स्पेशल चैप्टर्स सबके लिए नहीं लिखे गए, बट जिनकी भी नाड़ी लीफ एग्जिस्ट करती है उनके लिए 12 चैप्टर्स लिखे गए हैं। व्हाट आर दीज 12 चैप्टर्स? फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज जनरल रीडिंग, सेकंड चैप्टर इज अबाउट पार्टनरशिप, सो पार्टनरशिप
Hmm.
ऑफ एवरी सॉर्ट, से योर रोमांटिक पार्टनरशिप, योर बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप, एनी काइंड ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल पार्टनरशिप, ये इसके बारे में मेंशन है। थर्ड चैप्टर आई फॉरगॉट इज अबाउट समथिंग, फोर्थ चैप्टर इज अबाउट मदर,
Mother, yeah.
everything about your mother, not everything but everything that is related to you, उनकी भी हेल्थ, उनके प्रोफेशन, स्पेशल अचीवमेंट, सबके बारे में बताया जाएगा एंड बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन होगी। और
Hmm.
वो जब आपके आपके मदर के साथ डायनेमिक्स बताएंगे ना, यू विल बी शॉक्ड,
Yeah.
प्रिसाइजली ऑन पॉइंट। एंड कुछ प्रिडिक्शन उन्होंने मेरे में किए ना, दैट समथिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डू राइट नाउ, दे प्रिडिक्टेड
Hmm.
समथिंग अबाउट इन्वेस्टमेंट, यू रिमेंबर अक्षता?
Yeah.
Do you remember my reading, or you
Yeah.
just remember the special parts, those special?
No, that we will not talk about.
Oh, it's okay.
This, yeah.
Just telling you,
Yeah.
again, this is not a sponsored live session, कुछ लेना देना नहीं है हमारे उससे। So what I'm telling you is from my own personal experience, and I've researched a lot about this. हर एक चैप्टर के लिए चार्ज 2500, बट जस्ट बिलीव कि यही उनका प्रोफेशन है और इतने सालों से करो। और एक चीज और है, यू गिव योर थंब इम्प्रेशन, और अगर तुम्हारा थंब इम्प्रेशन का उनको लीफ नहीं मिला ना, दे आर नेवर गोइंग टू कॉन्टैक्ट यू। ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि वो किसी और की लीफ लाके जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव टू अर्न मनी और वो कर देंगे। जेन्युइन ऑथेंटिक रीडर्स वोंट डू दिस, ये भी नहीं करेगा। ठीक है, 2500 पर चैप्टर। आई गॉट अराउंड 15 चैप्टर्स है, 12 basic chapters and 3 extra chapters. Did they ask you to come get some yagam or puja? Very good question. Okay, yes. So there is a chapter, आपके prediction के बाद there is a chapter for remedies. Okay, only if you want to go through this. And yes, scammers do the same thing. Even अच्छा, this is a very good point. I'll tell you. This came from my reading and number of other people who have gone through this reading. कि प्रिडिक्शन तो कर देते हैं, बट देन दे ट्रैप यू कि आपके में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रॉब्लम बता देंगे कि आपकी लाइफ में, एंड देन कि आप ये पूजा करो, पूजा कॉस्ट समवेयर अराउंड 50,000 to 1 lakh और सम मोर। नेवर गो फॉर दोस पूजा फ्रॉम देम, इवन इफ दे सजेस्ट। बट आई टेल यू दिस गाय, इसने कुछ नहीं, इससे जब मैंने रेमेडी वाला चैप्टर पढ़वाया तब उसने वो बताया कि ये आप कर सकते हैं, उसने मंत्र भी बताया कि ये मंत्र आपके में लिखा है, ऋषि अगस्त ने ऐसा ऐसा बताया, आप इसका कर सकते हैं। ही नेवर टोल्ड मी टू गेट these done from him or anybody.
Hmm.
First sign of authenticity. उसको
Hmm.
नहीं, उसको उतना जितना उसने रीडिंग करा है, जितने आप चैप्टर, अक्षता ने केवल एक चैप्टर रीडिंग कर रहा है, उसको बोला भी नहीं आगे उसने.
Yeah.
I was interested in more chapters, so I got all these things done. So no, हाँ, पूजा पाठ, that is a very good point.
Hmm.
कई बार there might be some pundits who would push you for that कि ये problem है, इतना problem है, you should get this done. Even if they tell you, don't get it done from them. This particular pandit, until unless बहुत explicitly तुम्हारे उसमें लिखा है
Yes,
लीक में,
exactly.
it's very important for you or something major will happen, वो ये
No, I
नहीं
mean,
बोलेगा तुम्हें.
yeah, like if you happen to believe in whatever is coming for you in the reading,
Yeah,
you will, I think you'll also know that instinct will tell you that if you want to get it done or not. So just go with your gut, because no, they did not tell me anything like that. So I just had to listen to, I was curious. So I just heard my reading and I was like, okay, bye. So it was very easy for me. So if that's what you want and that's what you're looking for, that's okay. You don't have to perform. And if you don't perform, nothing is going to happen. The universe is not going to punish you. So good question again. And that's Mithun. Yes. Good question, Mithun. But no, we didn't have to do anything like that. Like he said, he's gotten most of the chapters read, and neither did he have to do anything like this. And I think this is, we forgot to mention that how only these people, the clan of these people from Vaitishwar and Kohli, can only do this. How the family, it has come in a family tradition. Not everybody can decipher, not everybody can read these palm leaves. And based on that, uh, also the fact that we had an English translator, that's an important thing because we are
yeah,
reading it in Tamil. So
yeah,
not everybody is going to understand Tamil. So even if you happen to contact them, please ask them for an English translator so the person can help you with it. That
yeah.
was one more important thing. Yes, exactly. Okay, they told you something? They told you to exam runners was 108 for some days. Yeah. I mean, if your instinct told you, Mithun, that you have to get it done, then that's a different thing. But we were not told anything like that, which I think was good for us. But if you want to get it done, that's on you because we do not know anything about that and we wouldn't be the right people to tell you that.
I'll tell them where
Hmm.
people can scam when it comes to Nadi. One,
Hmm.
if
Hmm.
you get it done online, I think there are chances of getting scammed. But this
Hmm.
Pandit, you can contact him for sure because
Yeah.
a genuine person. I know not to market him too much. There might be other genuine Pandits also,
Yeah.
but this guy is very nice and cool.
You,
Simple guy.
yeah. You will love him. He loves you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And so there are predictions about past lives, okay?
Hmm.
Crazy past life. And then they tell you कि लास्ट जन्म में आपकी बर्थ में आपने ये किया था, उसके कुछ कर्म हैं और इसके लिए आपको पूजा करनी पड़ेगी.
Hmm.
Scammers would tell you this,
Hmm.
but actually they'll tell you about your past life कि ऐसा ऐसा था. And then I asked them this question कि यार, I might have taken so many births before this. Why are
Hmm.
you only telling me about this particular birth? Then he cleared this out for me कि पास्ट लाइफ के जिस पर्टिकुलर लाइफ के अभी तक आपके कर्मास बचे हुए हैं जो कि आपके इस लाइफ को इम्पैक्ट करेंगे, इस नाड़ी में केवल उसी लाइफ के बारे में लिखा है.
Hmm.
और वही वो बता रहे, कोई पूजा नहीं बताई उसने,
Yeah.
है ना.
This was
इनफैक्ट ही
in
टोल्ड,
Trichy, Mithun. This was in Trichy. Yes, continue, Pushap.
और वेथिशन, नो ट्रिची. सो आई सेंट माय thumbprint to 8 people. 7 of them were from Vethisharan Kohli. One was in Trichy. The Trichy guy contacted me with the leaf. So my leaf was there with him, possibly.
Hmm.
Again, these leaves ना, इसका जो पूरा सेट है, this also travels crazy. ये नॉर्थ इंडिया में
Yeah.
भी हो सकता है किसी पॉइंट पे.
Yeah. You got
You
it
know,
in Lucknow, na? Pehli baar
in
to.
2014 I got it done in Lucknow for the very first time.
Hmm.
वो तब
Hmm.
नॉर्थ में था वहां पे.
Yeah.
So crazy. So don't trust me. Give your thumb impression, and there might be a chance if you are like 10, 13 people, no, 5 को तुरंत आएगा भी नहीं कॉल, 10 लोगों को आएगा भी नहीं. Might be if
Yeah.
only if it's in your destiny.
Yeah.
Test it yourself. I wouldn't say.
Yes.
Kovil meaning temple in Tamil. Mathison Kovil. Kohli. Or maybe. I
Preet,
don't know Tamil.
yeah, Preet also has a very good question. What about free will if the predictions are futuristic too? I mean, I think,
So,
again, at the end of the day, it is your choice. It was
I'll
choice.
tell
It
you.
was aligned universe and choice. Yeah.
I have a take on this.
Mm.
Again, I'm no Pandit. This only comes from what I've read and what I've experienced, everything.
Mm.
So every life there is certain free will, for sure. So 3 types of karmas. One, that you're carrying from past life. जो जैसा लिखा है वैसा ही होगा. I believe life, death, and major events of your life. Even
Mm.
तुम्हारे पापा कौन होंगे, मम्मी कौन होंगे, दे से दिस इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, दिस बीइंग चोजन फ्रॉम बाय योर सोल फ्रॉम पास्ट लाइफ. देन देयर आर सर्टेन इवेंट्स दैट आर गोइंग टू हैपन इन योर लाइफ. वो होंगे, बस उनकी इंटेंसिटी ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर सम एक्सीडेंट दैट इज सपोज दैट इज ऑलरेडी रिटन, उसका इम्पैक्ट इंजरी कम होगी, ज्यादा होगी, इसके लिए दे get you done these pujas. No, it's energy balance actually. And
Right.
then there are free will. Basic. I'll throw this mobile right now. It's a free will only. No, it might be written, might not be written. So
Don't do
free will.
that. Just don't do that.
I won't do that. Just
Yeah.
giving you example. तो
Hmm.
आई थिंक ये इस तरह का और भी बहुत सारे इवेंट होते होंगे जो फ्री विल पे होते हैं, होते ही हैं. बिकॉज अगर फ्री विल नहीं है तो अगले जन्म के कर्म कैसे होंगे? यू हैव टू टेक बर्थ अगेन, राइट? एज ही टोल्ड माइंड. सो ऐसा होता है, फ्री विल एग्जिस्ट, but these laws of nature are very complicated, can't be explained in one. At times you can understand it but you might not be able to express it कि कैसे होता है. So I have my understanding, Akshata has her own understanding, and this develops over time. Every passing day something changes about it, but this is basically जो free will और इसका है ये इतना है. तो इसमें वो वही चीज बता रहे हैं जो पहले की है. उसके बाद वो आपको बताते, थोड़ा बहुत ये भी बताते ना कि आप ये करो तो आपका कर्म अच्छा रहेगा. सो ही नेवर टोल्ड मी टू गेट अ पूजा और यज्ञ. ही टोल्ड मी कि यू डू दीज मेडिटेशन, या मेडिटेशन के टाइम पे आप ये मंत्र बोलिए. नथिंग टू इन्वेस्ट मोर मनी. What motivated you guys to know about your chapters? I was the motivated one.
Yes.
She was
totally.
a newcomer to this.
I was just a curious one.
Why I was motivated? कि 2014 में when I got this done, then it was for me it was just an experiment. No, किसी ने मुझे बताया कि ये करना चाहिए. In 2020 during COVID wave, I realized कि जो जो उन्होंने बताया था वो सारी चीजें हुई. Now I was motivated कि मैंने 2014 में I actually regretted it कि 2014 में मैंने ध्यान क्यों नहीं दिया, वो कैसेट मैंने क्यों नहीं रिटेन किया, वो कॉपी क्यों नहीं रिटेन की, जो मैंने उस टाइम पे बहुत लाइटली लिया था. 2020 में I tried to search for my leave, नहीं मिला. Now it happened. So motivation came from my own experience. Motivation, I am vouching so much for something, and I told her the story जो मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ कि ऐसा था. Then she got interested. She's also a curious soul, even though
Yeah.
ये ऐसे ही होता है. This is the
exactly.
motivation. और कोई motivation होता नहीं है. Curiosity is the main motivation. ऐसा नहीं I was going through very tough time. I'm going through a very, I think, one of the most best phases of my life till now. So, but curiosity stays there. These many books and these meditation retreats, I'm doing these out of curiosity only, like most of us.
Yeah, I think it was more to do with the fact that we just like to try out new things, and we were just doing that also together. That's all.
Akshata, please cut me down when I'm trying to over-explain, okay?
Yeah, I know, that's okay. So that is what I was trying to say, that we were doing it because it was something new for us. It was very new for me. I had not heard about this at all, and I was not even aware that something like this was written or ya kuch bhi. Though ZNMD, I had heard ki sab kuch likha hota hai. I didn't know Agastya Rishi had actually written these things. So it was just to check if it was true for me, and it kind of matched. So
I'll tell you two funny
Yeah.
things about this. Sorry to cut you down.
No, it's
One,
okay.
अक्षता का जो फेस पहले था जब मेरी रीडिंग चल रही थी, she was all laughing and giggling.
Yeah.
When it came to her, जब उसको उसका पता मिल गया and he was about to read, I have this recording. She was all blank, goosebumps, silent.
Dude, because you told me तुम अभी thumb impression दे देना, but you will not know that if he's actually going to have your leaf. So I was not anticipating that he'll find my leaf and be like, oh yeah, you're Akshata, your dad is this, your mom is this. And I was just like, okay, this actually happened.
So twice it came down to profession सही बता दिया, जो भी किसी और की लीव थी, profession ही बता दिया, मम्मी पापा का नाम गलत बता दिया. And she was, okay, no.
Nah.
Then profession came right, name came right, father's name came right, mother's, that certificate name came right.
Yeah.
That's crazy, no? So
it was.
So once you'll experience that, you'll also पहले तो you'll doubt for sure, and it is good to doubt. I believe 100% doubt करना चाहिए. At once you should doubt these things, but then the normal growth mindset is there are things that we are not aware of.
That is why you doubt them. That is why I was just kidding. And you doubt them so you know more about them.
Yeah, there are two ways for it. कि ये बकवास है, कुछ है नहीं. Don't get into it. It's okay if it works for you. But if you can experience around, there are a lot of things that are happening around you जो तुमको समझ में नहीं आएगा, but you believe in those things. Your personal experience can help you with that. So I think for me, it's a thing of past. I don't doubt these things anymore. Right? And सबका अपना अपना phase है.
Yeah.
इसमें से कोई जाएगा, उसको उसका लीफ मिल जाएगा, एंड व्हेन दे विल प्रिडिक्ट certain things, they'll become a believer or they'll be in
No, it
shock.
is on them. It is on them, obviously. Again, we are not marketing any of this.
Also, one thing which is good
Yeah.
about this kind of astrology is कि they are pretty much on point. जनरल रीडिंग वो बताते हैं कि ये अच्छा टाइम है बुरा टाइम, बट कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक इवेंट होगा ना, दे विल टेल यू इस एज पे ऐसा होगा।
Mm.
2014 में व्हाट दे प्रिडिक्ट अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स, मेरे केस में इट जस्ट हैपेंड कि आई थिंक दे टोल्ड मी इन 2016 और वो 2015 में हो गया, 2 महीने पहले हो गया।
Mm.
कुछ हो सकता है। अच्छा, अगेन दिस देयर वाज अ वेरी क्यूरियस क्वेश्चन, मुझे किसी ने डीएम किया था कि डेट ऑफ बर्थ कैसे बताते हैं, तो मैंने सिर्फ मेरा बताया था 6 अक्टूबर। देन उस टाइम पे तो अक्टूबर नहीं होता था। डू यू रिमेम्बर
Mm.
हाउ वी
Mm.
इंटरप्रेटेड इट?
Fun.
सो
Yeah, yeah.
उस टाइम पे तमिल कैलेंडर में कुछ पक्ष के हिसाब से होता है,
Mm.
जो इंडियन कैलेंडर में अक्टूबर होता है, एंशियंट कैलेंडर में कुछ और लिखा था, देन ही ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू कि आज के टाइम पे इट मींस अक्टूबर।
Yeah.
And then he got one thing wrong according to me, which he, when he explained it to me about Friday, he told me that I
Mm.
was born on Friday. So I said no, this is wrong, I was born on Saturday. Then he
Mm.
explained तमिल और एंशियंट इंडियन कैलेंडर में सनराइज से लेके अगले सनराइज तक वाज द सेम डे। तो
Mm.
फ्राइडे से सैटरडे रात में 12 बजे 1 मिनट पे नहीं होगा, सुबह होगा सनराइज के बाद में।
Yeah.
इस टाइप की चीजें थी।
So again, that's what we also worked out on a lot of doubts that we had. We also tested him, like, is this true? Is this not true? I think you also did most of that also. Like, tell me, and then you were asking him, Acha, haan, okay, this matches, it doesn't match. So I think
हाँ
just
हाँ,
go with an open mind if you want to try anything like this. It is
बात
not,
करते हैं।
again, I think the biggest takeaway, Arnav's asked, what is the biggest takeaway to implement in your life? I think it is just about knowing, he mentioned that earlier, that it is knowing that there's something much bigger than you. You're a speck of dust and all of that, but there's something much more that is running our entire life, and it is better to just leave it to that. For me, I didn't have to implement anything as such, but it was just to good to know that um, my leaf exists. Because Purushart had almost scared me that agar tumhara nahi mila, so that means August Rishi has not written about you or your leaf is burned down and things like that. But I found it, so I was just happy about it. I've not asked many chapters of my life also because I think the first one was basic and I was okay with that. I was okay with knowing that that much information Agastya Rishi knew, and I'm cool with that. I'm not very curious to know about everything that is written about me.
because
So
because they are very blunt at times, right? They tell things out, right? They
yeah,
might tell something politely,
yeah, yeah.
but they're
They
very
did
blunt,
also.
है ना,
Yeah,
कि ये ऐसा होगा। वो towards the end of life कि how can you'll have the God's grace, means you'll die at this, after this
yeah,
point,
yeah.
they tell you things like that, no?
They
Okay,
did also, but that's
yeah, but now I think I should tell them the part जहाँ पे you should be doubtful, because why 100% it cannot be true, and there are reasons for it that I
mm-hmm,
think we have not discussed, Akshata. No,
mm-hmm,
first of all, these leaves were written thousands of, so Maharshi Agast, as per mythology, exists around 4500 to 5000 years back, रामायण
mm,
के टाइम पे थे, ठीक है?
mm. I'll give you 1 minute to explain this to people.
ओके,
Okay,
क्विकली,
your time starts now. Yeah.
ओके, सो या
Mm. mm,
4,500 5,000 साल पहले लिखा गया। अब
mm,
इतने सारी नेचुरल कैलामिटीज आई, लीव डिस्ट्रॉय होंगी, अगेन केमिकल प्रोसेस है, डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ होगा। देन आई रिसर्च अबाउट इट, तो ऐसा होता था कि जैसे ही 1,000 साल बीता, तो इनके क्लैन में जो जिसको भी लगता था ना कि ये पत्ता इस थोड़ा केमिकली सफर करने वाला है, टूटने वाला है, दे यूज टू ट्रांसक्राइब इनटू अ फ्रेश लीव।
mm-hmm,
तो ये होता था। अब ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में दे कैन बी ह्यूमन एरर, आज की जनरेशन में हो सकती है,
mm,
1000 years बैक भी हो, ह्यूमन एरर का स्कोप हमेशा रहता है, बट
mm,
उसकी वजह से थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो सकती थी, बट मेजर पोर्शन वुड बी करेक्ट। इन माई केस टाइमलाइन का दिक्कत हुआ, ऐसा हो
mm-hmm,
सकता है। तो ये एक चीज है। सेकंड चीज इसमें हो सकता है कि ह्यूमन एरर इन इंटरप्रिटेशन, मुझे किसी ने इंग्लिश पढ़ाई या कोई और हमने फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज सीखी, उसमें भी
mm.
गड़बड़ी हो सकती है ना, कि मैंने
Yeah,
सही से इंटरप्रेट ना कर पाया, तो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे इंटरप्रेट हो सकता है।
yeah,
So these are the two places where human error is involved, और थोड़ा बहुत interpretation ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, but major part of it would be, I think it would be on point as per my
yeah,
experience. Try and change your future after learning about it. You
yeah.
can try.
Again, free will, dude. Free will. It was about free will. अगर जो भी बताया है, that you feel like you want to change it, you want to uh, work on it, you work on it consciously. That's what I think, at least I am doing. And it kind of works
I have a
for
long
me.
for this, so I'll refrain from
Again,
it.
one
No, no, no,
minute
no, I
for
know.
your long answer.
1 minute is too less.
Oh,
Please
then you will put it on the comment.
Yeah, it's okay. Here's question.
Have
Have you been
they?
recorded digitally? Yes. Yes. I got it recorded on my video and in video, in voice recording, in voice memos, and I also have got transcribed it into full notebook, all my chapters
Nai
using.
Puru, I think she's asking, have it the leaves? I think it's the leaves that they have. They've been recorded digitally now to prevent loss.
I've been very good.
No, because
No.
Purushart had this question and he asked also that you guys should do this. He has given the idea, but they have not done that yet. They
उसका
because of
आंसर अलग था, and I
yeah.
understand
Hmm.
all these other leaves. Okay.
Yeah, that's what. No, there are many. There
Two,
are
there are
many,
two
many
reasons
leaves.
for it. पहले तो
Yeah.
उसका पंडित का कहना था, मैंने उससे पूछा why don't you do this, why are you making this process complicated, कि वो थंब प्रेशर लेता है अंदर, आधे घंटे जाके लीफ निकाल के लाता है आफ्टर एवरी चैप्टर, तो सेव टाइम हो, अपना टाइम बचाओ, मेरा टाइम
Yeah.
बचाओ. बट ही वाज कि नहीं, वो जो उसके इंटरप्रिटेशन से इसने ट्रांसलेटर ने मुझे बताया कि नहीं, इतना लोड नहीं लेते, जिसका डिस्ट्रॉय होना होगा उसकी डेस्टिनी डिस्ट्रॉय होना, जिसका लिखा होगा दिल का. बट देयर टू मेजर रीजंस व्हाई दे डोंट डू दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो ये एक ना बहुत ही पायस चीज है उनके लिए, उनके महर्षि ने लिखी हुई है.
Yeah.
आज की डेट में अगर उसको डिजिटली रिकॉर्ड कर देंगे तो जो उसकी स्पिरिचुअल ऑथेंटिसिटी है, या जो उसके सैंक्टिटी है,
the essence.
वो
Yeah.
हो सकती है. राइट. वन. इसीलिए
Right.
आज कोई भी अगर उसको कॉपी करेंगे तो ताड़पत्र पे ही करेंगे. सेकंड, आज की डेट में उसको मान लो ट्रांसलेट करके रख दे, सिंपल तमिल में कर दे, इंग्लिश में कर दे, देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल बी मिस यूजिंग इट फॉर फाइनेंशियल रीजंस.
Yeah.
डोंट यू थिंक सो? हर चीज बी आउट इन पब्लिक. एंड उनका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि द सोल दैट इज डेस्टिन्ड टू बी देयर एट द टाइम, जिसको गाइडेंस मिलनी है वो होगी. मेरे केस में कैसे हुआ कि 2014 में उसने मुझे उस टाइम पे जो मेरी लाइफ थी तब के बारे में प्रेडिक्ट किया, एंड दिस टाइम ही टोल्ड मी आउटराइटली कि राइट नाउ व्हेन वी आर रीडिंग दिस लीफ, this is your age, you're doing this ऐसा ऐसा. You remember, Akshata?
Yeah.
Made up in this sentence by me,
Yes.
and as if I want to sell
Not
certain
at all.
tickets.
No,
No.
even the same thing was for me also. No, he
He
told
told
me
you
at this
right now
age
what you're.
you would find. Yeah.
So it was maybe, and then he has told me, in my case, he has told me कि again you'll come back to listen to these predictions
In 10
at
years.
45
Yeah.
years, in 45, at the age of 45. So that's how it is.
And they don't do it. So I think from that, what we got also that they don't do this over and over again. They will not find your leaf over and over again. Like how we probably with changing phases of life, how we go to the astrologers to understand what we should do or anything like that. It's not going to change with these nadi leaves or something. It is just they directly told Purshat, come after 10 years. Until then, you don't have to worry. This is your blueprint for 10 years. And then we will see. If you come back, then you come back. If you don't, you don't. So I think that's also a part of free will. If he wants to go, he'll go. If he doesn't, then he won't. So he had to find it at this particular point, and he did. That's about it.
So I told you na again कि 2020 में I tried so much to find my leaf. I was not
Sorry.
in 2020 COVID के टाइम पे I tried to find my leaf. No.
Yeah.
तब मुझे याद आ गया था कि
You didn't. Yeah.
बट नहीं मिला मुझे, और फिर मेरे दिमाग से चला गया, इधर साउथ में आया, पोस्टिंग आया, तो आई गॉट दिस थॉट.
Yeah.
I don't know, हो सकता है फ्री विल होगी. I have to experiment.
Yeah, again, I think it's universe, destined, everything aligned and things like that. Arnav, very curious fellow, he has. Doesn't this process go against what Krishna had preached? काम करो, फल की चिंता मत करो.
तो चिंता नहीं करने को बोला है ना.
हाँ.
जो होना है वो तो होगा भाई.
होगा, you do your thing. If you, I think this was also doing our thing, that we just had to go there and find our leaf. So we just did our thing.
Yeah.
Do you think we missed out any other question, Purshat? It was most of the things that we've been asked. I mean, like, where did you find it? What was Nadi? How was your experience? And these are the things that I got, most of it.
I think.
Is it the same with you, Vissal?
So
most of it was the same.
Yeah. They might need to know what all chapters do they cover specifically. So it's about mother.
What we can do best is that
we'll share the link.
Yeah, link. Yeah, exactly. So that must be
that chapter on the
easier
secret
that way.
relationships, financial things, lot of things. No, there's so many.
Yeah.
Also, one thing. So there is a special chapter on your political life. जो special chapter में अक्षता, तो उसमें वो सबके लिए नहीं लिखा गया है. कोई prominent minister या politician एक अलग अलग era में जो रहे होंगे, अगर they are the one, उनके लिए वो special chapter लिखा गया है कि उनकी political life कैसी होने वाली है. I think chapter number 16, 17, something special chapter.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah. So that's about it.
So future politicians, listen up. if you want to know.
Yeah.
Nadi Shastra. Okay. The address again, Purusharth. Address, phone number, we will link it in the
I'll also link
comments.
the address and the map location. So
Okay.
this is in Trichy. Trichy, what was that Mahatma Gandhi Marg, I think, no? I don't
Yes.
remember exactly.
And yes,
So
MG Road.
वो है. I'll pin the. You'll upload. You're going to upload this, no, Akshata?
Yes.
But it's a very
Yes.
long video. How
No,
would
I
you?
will chop it, but that's okay. We will
Yeah.
pin the maps as well. We will pin the picture of his phone number and everything as well.
Contact number.
Yeah. So it is 2,500 per session, per chapter.
Per
And
chapter.
he does, the best thing it was is that he did not tell us that this is the only dedicated time I can give you. I think we sat there half days. 2 days we were
Yeah.
there for entire half and half day. So at least we took six hours.
Mm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
he didn't have a time limit. You can ask for that. So ask for English translation. And if you're curious, then just go for it. Just dive
I,
into it is all I have to say.
3 days back, I also got two chapters done via Zoom call.
So now online is also possible.
Yeah.
So all you have to do is probably just send in your thumb impression, get in touch with him, send your thumb impression, and then if when he finds the leaf, he is going to get back to you. If he doesn't find the leaf, he's going to take a little more time. And they've also mentioned that it might take at least like 3 months to find your leaf if they don't have it in their center. So you have to give that amount of time. Do not be in a hurry to know anything.
And your
And like
thumb.
yeah, and like we said, it is what is that? If you're destined to find it and all, it is our perspective of looking at these things, the alignment and all that language. It is our perspective, so don't have to go by that. You might just find your leaf like I did at the first.
Yeah.
At the first,
तुम इसीलिए गई थी वहां पे
so
अक्षता. कोई और पर्पस
yeah,
नहीं था.
I agree.
It was
I
meant to happen.
totally agree. Yep.
So you just give it a try, no? अपना thumb impression
Yeah,
भेज दो, भूल जाओ. If they'll
that's it.
contact you, then it's okay. And
Mm.
send, if you want to cross check कि तुम्हारे आधार नंबर या इससे ना हो, send it from somebody else's cell phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, so for that he did not, I gave it to him at 5:30. At 6 he found my leave. So he wouldn't have had so much time also to
Yeah, in your case, yes.
in my case. So my thumb impression was given and then he found my leave. It was not like he had time to go with my Aadhaar
I think
details
our
and
leaf was
all.
in the same bundle.
Yeah.
I think so, yes. This ये क्या इसमें जो 12 तरह की नाड़ी होती है, I think we had similar. Must be
Okay.
siblings in some life, past life.
Okay. Anyways, we will talk about that later. I think we have answered most of the things that we were asked. We just got an overwhelming response, and that's why we just wanted to make a live instead of sending each one uh, DMs and everything like that.
Maybe we'll pin it down in the comments.
Yes, we will do that. And do you have anything else to add, Puru?
I can't remember anything. Just
Yeah,
in
I think
I'll
even
drop.
I'm done. These are the main points that I wanted to address.
Go through the website,
Yeah,
understand the process, and then contact that person.
give
Give a
it
thumb
time.
impression. It's as
Give
simple as
it
that.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah, give it time. If
And
it
then
is not
forget it.
happening
Just forget
immediately,
about it.
yes, give
Yeah.
it time. So that's that. Awesome. Great.
Yeah.
Then thank you everyone for joining. This was lovely. I think it was also like refreshing our memories from Trichy. So thank you very much, Arnav, for your questions as well. And काम करो, तुम भी काम करो, जो भी कर रहे हो, काम करो. And फल की चिंता मत करो, everyone.
Okay. Bye,
Yeah.
guys.
Awesome. Chalo, Puru, see you.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.